Hi there. In this video, I'll walk you through how to submit an abstract on ConfyChair. It's an easy way to manage your conference submissions, from sending your abstract to seeing the review results. Every conference has its own page. You can get the link directly from the organizer, or simply check the upcoming conferences list on the ConfyChair site. Let's start by logging in. If you already have an account, just sign in with your email and password, or use Google Sign In. If you don't have one yet, no worries. Just click Register and fill out your details. After you sign up, check your inbox. You'll get a verification email, click the button inside it, and your account will be ready to use. Then, just log back in to access your dashboard. After you're in your dashboard, you'll see the conferences you've already joined. To join a new one, simply visit its conference page and click Register. Here, you'll need to choose your role. It depends on how the organizer set up the conference. If you've got a group registration code, just paste it here and validate it. Next, fill in your personal data and your address information. Before submitting, make sure to check the box to agree to the conference's terms and conditions. Sometimes the organizer might ask for an ID upload, and if that's needed, the upload box will show up right away. Once you're done, check your email. You'll get a confirmation about your registration. If your role needs approval, just hang tight until you get another email saying you've been accepted into the conference. After you've been approved, you'll get access to your conference dashboard. You can open it straight from the email or from your main dashboard page. Inside your conference dashboard, click New Submission. Then choose the submission package that matches your role. It's all set by the organizer. Now, let's fill out your abstract. Add the title, choose the track, and write your abstract. Make sure it's under 300 words. For keywords, don't use commas or semicolons. Just press Enter to separate them. Your author details will appear automatically from your registration information. Check if you're the corresponding and presenting author. To add co-authors, click Add Author and fill out their info. They'll get an email to confirm their authorship. Need to reorder the list? Just use the arrows beside their names. Before submitting, fill in the AI declaration to show whether you used any AI tools when writing your research. It's just for transparency. It won't affect your review. When you're ready, click Submit, and that's it. You've successfully submitted your abstract. And that's how you submit an abstract on ConfyChair. If you need help, check out our Help Center or chat with us directly on the site. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.